Across centuries, people chase signals about tomorrow, from Nostradamus to playful cartoons, shaping how we think about fate. This video traces origins and methods, separating genuine forecasts from storytelling and hindsight today. Nostradamus is examined with care, noting vague verses reinterpreted to fit events, while scholars remind us that exact matches are retrospective. The Simpsons appears as cultural clockwork, with jokes hinting at tech trends or politics only by satire and coincidence. The aim is to compare impact over time, showing how belief and memory amplify hits and misses alike.